Good day, can you please tell me about yourself?
Good morning, sir. My name is Nelsa Jane Aclarasio, 31 years old, married. My husband works as a fisherman. I have one kid. She is 8 years old girl. I live in Barangay de Vera, Sara, Iloilo. We have 6 siblings. I have 2 brothers and 3 sisters, and I am the second child of the family, and I am high school graduate.
Okay, thank you. And since you have one daughter, are you the one who is taking care of her since she was born?
Yes, sir.
And who will take care of your daughter when you work abroad?
My mother and my husband, sir.
And do you have work experience abroad before?
No, sir, but I have work experience here in the Philippines for almost 6 years to a couple with 2 kids. She is 8 years old and 4 years old. My duties and responsibilities is to taking care of the kids, the laundry, ironing, cooking, and marketing.
Okay, thank you. And how would you describe your employers?
They are good to me, sir.
Is there another helper in your previous employer?
No, I'm the only one, sir.
How would you describe yourself as a worker?
I am hardworking, I can manage my time, and I am a happy person.
Okay, and do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Did you undergo any kind of surgery?
No, sir.
And are you under special medication right now?
No, sir.
And why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work in abroad for my child education. I want to save my money to build my own house.
Okay, and are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to take care of the baby?
Yes, sir.
And what will you do if the baby did not stop crying?
Maybe I need to check the baby diaper is full, and I need to check maybe the baby is hungry. I will feed them, and I need to check the body temperature. Maybe the baby will sick.
Okay, and what will you do if the children is naughty or will not listen to you?
I will talk to them with slowly and nicely and be more patient of the kids.
And can you sing a nursery song?
Johnny, Johnny is Papa, eating sugar, no Papa, telling lies, no Papa, open your mouth, ha ha ha.
Okay, thank you. And do you have a food allergy?
No, sir.
And are you willing to share a room with the kids, elder or other helper?
Yes, sir.
And are you okay if your day off is not on Saturday or Sunday?
Yes, sir.
Would you accept no day off but employer will pay you instead?
Yes, sir.
And if you are homesick, would you break your contract and insist to return home?
No, sir.
And would you like to work with your employer who has many children?
Yes, sir.
Are you willing to take care of an elderly?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
And are you willing to get up early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
And do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
And do you have a full consent to your family or husband to work abroad?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and can you please say a short message to your future employer?
Good day, ma'am and sir. If you select me as your domestic helper, I am a hardworking person. I will treat your family as my own family too. I am trustworthy, honest, and I can work with least supervision. Thank you so much, ma'am and sir.
Okay, and do you promise that you will take good care of your employer's children as your own child?
Yes, sir.
And that's all for today, and thank you for coming.
Thank you, sir.